Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make Applebee's's Maple Butter Blondie. This was so good, I can't wait to show you guys how to make it, so let's get started with the video. In a food processor, pulse a half a cup of walnuts until almost fine. When you're finished, set them to the side. They should look like this. Next, in a medium bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and your walnuts from before. Whisk everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your bowl to the side. Now, in a large bowl, beat 10 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Once your butter is smooth, scrape down the sides and add 1.5 cups of light brown sugar. Beat your butter and sugar together on medium speed until fluffy. This should take about 2 minutes. Now add 3 eggs, one at a time, while still scraping down the bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now, gradually beat in your dry ingredients until well combined. Next, fold in 1 cup of white chocolate chips, and a half a cup of walnuts. When you finish folding everything in, set your batter to the side. Next, line a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with tinfoil. Your tinfoil should be long enough that some of it is left hanging off both sides of your pan. Then, butter the foil. When you're finished, pour your batter into the pan. Then spread the batter throughout the pan until it is even. Next, bake your blondies at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. When your blondies are finished baking, take them out of the pan and place them on a rack to cool. Use the tinfoil that was left hanging off the sides to pick up your blondie and place it on the cooling rack. Now that we've finished making our blondies, let's move on and make the maple butter sauce. In a small saucepan over medium heat, add 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then add 1/3 cup of maple syrup. Cook the maple syrup and butter together until the mixture begins to bubble and thicken. This should take about 6 minutes. Make sure to still stir your mixture. Once your maple butter mixture is thick, add 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Continue to cook your mixture until it's the consistency of caramel. Once your mixture is the consistency of caramel, take it off the heat. And that's it! Your maple butter sauce is ready. Next, we can prepare our blondie. Place your blondie on a hot iron skillet or on a plate. Then add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. After that, pour your maple butter sauce on top of your blondie. You can also add some walnuts on top as well. And that's it, you've finished making Applebee's Maple Butter Blondie. This tasted amazing, it was so good. The ice cream and the maple butter sauce complement the blondie perfectly, and the blondie tastes amazing when it's warm. I totally recommend giving this one a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!